Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can turn off background audio from TikTok Live. So what I mean by that is when you watch somebody's live and then you close the app, well, if you go to another app, not if you close it. If you go to another app, the audio will turn off. I'm just going to show you how to do that. So open up a live video on TikTok, and then to turn off the sort of live background, you're just going to select the share one right here. Go to background player and select turn off background player, and then the audio will hopefully turn off when you go to another app or sort of close your phone. But that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!